Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this challenge as well. Let's begin with the dot mandala for day 2 of 30 days challenge. So, the positive word for today is charity. What does this word charity means to you? Have you ever done charity before? If yes, what kind of charity was that? How did you feel when you did that charity activity? How did that charity activity make the receiver feel? Do let me know everything in the comment section. I will share you my story in a while. The kind of charity that I do is I cook myself and then feed one homeless every single day, and I've been doing it for about 15 months continuously now, non-stop, not even a single day missed. Now, if you ask, have I not traveled any time during this time? Yes, I have traveled, and whenever I traveled, I buy food and give it to someone. And if I'm not traveling, I make sure I'll cook myself, I'll pack it, and I'll give it along with a half-liter water bottle. That's the kind of charity that I do every single day. It's not necessary that you need to spend a lot of money to do charity. It's about your time and effort and willingness. And every month I create an occasion to make sure I'll pack at least 25 to 30 packs of food, and then make sure I'll take an hour time from my schedule that particular day, whether it is a working day or a weekend, and I make sure I'll distribute it. See some smile on those less privileged people's faces, feel happy, come back home. That's what I basically do. And there had been times when people who clean the roads, I've given to such people, and on one such occasion, looks like that lady who was cleaning the road was terribly hungry, but she couldn't go for eating because she was at work. And when we gave her the food along with the water bottle, she just threw those broomsticks immediately, washed her hand, washed her face, and before we gave the food back to another person and came back the same way, she was done with the food. And I felt really happy to see that happen. I smiled at her. She said, "Thank you so much, madam. God bless you. May you live long." These kind of wishes and smiles literally makes your day. If you have any such heart-touching stories based on the charity that you did, do share with me in the comments. Let me read. If you have any plans of doing charity, do let me know. The reason I want to know about your charity activity is only to feel inspired, nothing more to it. If you are a person who is already into charity activities, what made you to start with your charity activity? Let me tell you what made me to start with feeding the homeless. I was watching a devotional video in Facebook, and the guru who I respect so much had uploaded a video that particular day, and that said Give food to people because that's the only thing that people can say enough, cannot have more. So that video really, I really felt heart melting. So the same day when I was watching the video, it was only around 11 a.m. in the morning. So I thought, okay, I'll start today. So I'm a kind of a person who does either heartfully or I don't do it at all, nothing in between. So I took up and started doing it from that day. And that day was 20th March of 2023. And from then onwards till date, not even a single day missed. And I'm truly proud of myself for that. And I know this is a blessing from Almighty, and I'm grateful to God as well. So here is the mandala that you need to recreate for day 2 challenge. Go ahead, recreate it, share it with me.